Hey everyone, welcome to this harvest time tracking tutorial and demo. If you're looking for an easy and efficient way to track your work hours, manage projects, and simplify invoicing, Harvest is a great tool to consider. In this video, I'll walk you through how to use Harvest, covering key features like time tracking, project management, reporting, and invoicing. Whether you're a freelancer, small business owner, or part of a larger team, Harvest helps you stay on top of your work and get paid accurately. Let's dive in and explore how Harvest can streamline your workflow. Now on their website, click on Try Harvest Free at the top right corner. And then from there, what you're going to do is to sign up using your Google email, or you can provide your own business email. Now I'll be using my email account here from Google, and after that the Harvest will ask for your last name and your company name, so just provide the details of your company. Now after that, click on the create my account button once you're done, and let's wait for it to load. Now it requires you to select how many people will work on your company, and then after selecting, just press the next button, and here you can tell them about your goals and click on next button. And now you can add a client for this project. Now, you can skip this part if you don't have any, but for this time, I'm going to create an example. So for example, you have a client named Cleo, and you can provide the project name where this client is, and here you can choose when would you like to be reminded to track your time, and here is the last step, which is to select an industry of your business. So after that, you can just simply state how did you hear about the Harvest and proceed to our dashboard. Now, from there, you will be able to see the dashboard of the harvest time. So here, as you can clearly see, this is the time sheet where you can add a time entry for this day. So just enter the project and what type of work you were doing, and if you click the start timer, the Harvest will begin tracking your time in real time. So if you take a break, simply bypass the timer. When you're done, hit stop to log your time entry. Now, this is the view of the day, and if you click this one, this is the week view. So here are the pending approvals of the Harvest. That is where manager or administrators can review and approve time entries submitted by team members. So this feature helps ensure accuracy and accountability before the hours are finalized for invoicing or payroll. Now we also have here the submitted and approved timesheets, and we also have here the expenses. Now to add expenses, just press this button and then assign the expense to a specific project or client, and pick the type of expense and input the total cost of the expense and upload a photo or file for documentation. Now if you're done, click on save. Now moving forward to the projects tab. This is where in Harvest that helps you manage all your work in one place by tracking time, budgets, and expenses for each project. So you can see a list of all active and completed projects and quickly check progress, hours logged, and budget use. Now I also have here the team tab, which helps managers and businesses owners oversee their team's time tracking, productivity, and workload. So you can see who is currently tracking time and what they're working on, and then you can check each team member's total hours logged for the day, week, or month. Now, you can add or remove users and set roles, whether for regular user, manager, or admin, and assign team members to specific projects. Now, for the Reports tab, it provides detailed insights into time tracking, project budgets, and team performance, helping businesses make data driven decisions. You can view total hours logged by project, client, or team member, filter reports by specific date ranges to analyze productivity trends, and track projects' budgets and see how much time has been used versus remaining. You can also identify projects that are over or under budget, monitor team performance by checking log hours and workload, and ensure team members are staying within their assigned hours. You can review all records and expenses for projects and clients, export expense data for invoicing or financial analysis, and download the CSV or PDF format, and share insights with client or stakeholders for better project transparency. Now for the Invoice tab, it allows businesses to create, send, and manage invoices for clients based on track time and expenses. To create an invoice, click the plus new invoice button to generate an invoice. Choose a client automatically, pull billable hours and expenses from projects, and add line items for services, hours worked, and any additional cost. Set payment terms, due dates, and task rates if needed, and send an invoice directly via email. Track payment status, paid, unpaid, or overdue in dashboard. You can enable payment through PayPal or Stripe for faster transactions. You can view past invoices and payment history for each client, and export invoices for accounting and tax purposes. For the Estimates tab, it helps businesses send price quotes to clients before starting a project. You can create a new estimate and add line items for services, hours, and rates. Email estimates directly to clients for approval, and clients can review and accept estimates via online. And once approved, convert the estimates into one invoice with one click, and you can monitor whether an estimate is sent, viewed, approved, or declined. Now for the Manage section, you can add a clients here. You can also add a task. Just go to the task section. As you can see, all of your tasks are here, and you can also add a new category and roles. And that wraps up our harvest time tracking tutorial. We've covered everything from starting a timer and tracking expenses to managing projects, teams, reports, invoices, and estimates. Harvest is a powerful tool for freelancers and businesses looking to streamline time tracking and billing. With its user-friendly interface and detailed reports, it makes managing your work easier and more efficient. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss future guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.